Hi, I'm going to post a series of videos that will be devoted to helping your child learn to read. This first video will focus on letter recognition and letter sounds. It's very important for your child to understand what the correct letter sound is. That will in turn help them to be able to read and to write later on. Okay, there are 26 letters in the alphabet, 5 vowels, 21 consonants. Each vowel has 2 sounds. Start with the letter A. The letter A has 2 sounds. The long sound says its name, as in ape. Ape. The short sound, as in apple. The next letter is B. B. The sound is B. It's important not to overextend the letter sound, B, because children will in turn write B and then extra letters for that sound. So the letter is B and the sound is B, short and simple. The next letter is K. The next letter is D for D. The next letter is E. It is a vowel. The long sound says its name. E. The short sound, eh. E as in eagle. Eh as in elephant. The next letter is F. The sound is F. The next letter is G. The sound it makes is G. You can also teach your child that G makes the J sound, as in giraffe. And the next letter is H, and the sound it makes is H. Not H, but H. The next letter is a vowel, I. The long sound is I, as in ice cream or nice. The short sound is I, as in igloo. The next letter is J. J. K. K. L. Ul. Not L, but Ul. The next letter is M. M. The next letter is N. N. The next letter is a vowel. The long sound is O, as in oval. And I always teach my students to make the O sound. And your mouth makes that shape of an O when you say the O sound. The short sound is Ah, as in octopus. The next letter is P. The next letter is kind of tricky. It's Q, but I always teach my students when you're writing and when you're reading, it always has a U that follows. Q-U. But the sound is Qu. Qu. The next letter is R. And it makes the sound not R, but R. The next letter is S. S. The next letter is T. T. The next letter is a vowel, U, and the long sound is U, as in unicorn. The short sound is as in umbrella. The next letter is V. V. Next letter is W. W. The next letter is X. X. K-S together. X. The next letter is Y, and the sound it makes is Y. And the last letter is the letter Z. It makes the sound Z. Now, some children get confused with U and Y because the U, saying U, makes the Y sound. But this is really and saying Y makes the Y sound. So they always get confused. So it's just memorization. U and Y makes the Y sound. Okay? So practice these letters and the letter sounds, and the next video we will start blending the letters together.